Hi everyone, I have made this little video because I don't know if you all know, but just recently I got taken on as one of several of the Gelli Arts artists. So we're artist ambassadors, and we're going to be making lots of new blog posts and videos for you over the coming months. And because of that, they have sent me a box. So this is an unboxing video. My box arrived this morning and I'm going to film my unboxing so that you can see what I got in the box. And the stuff in the box is going to be used for all of my new videos. It's really exciting. So I'm going to put the camera on from above so that you can see what's in the box. So let's go for it. This is really exciting. So here we go. I'm going to open up the box. It's really well packaged. So exciting. Nice little letter. Hi Lucy, welcome to the Gelli Arts team. We are so excited to have your help in creating more enthusiasm for gel printing. So at this point I lost my audio, but it's okay. I'm just going to do a voiceover. The card was really nice. It just welcomed me to the team. It had some nice prints on it. And now I'm opening up the box, and the first thing that I can see is a Gelli Arts apron. So this is really handy. I can use this for whenever I do workshops and things. It's always handy to have a nice art apron. I'm sure it's not going to stay as pristinely clean as it is now for very long. I'll be getting lots of paint on it. There's so many goodies in here. And the next thing is this pack of silicone combs. So I've been really excited about getting these because I haven't had a chance to try these out yet. They come with different kinds of tooths, so each side has a different kind of tooth on it, so you can get different textures. So I can't wait to have a shot and try those out and see all the different kinds of effects I can get with them. And here is one of the Gelli Arts kits. So they come in different kinds. There's lots of different kinds of them, and they have sent me the paper quilt printing kit. These kits are really handy if you're wanting to just start out, because everything you need for printing is in them. So here is a brayer. You can never have enough brayers, and some of the special Gelli Arts paints. They have a slightly longer working time than normal acrylics. So a set of paints in primary colours and some things for making textures. So another silicone tool. This one's unwrapped so you can see it a bit better. It's got zigzags on one side, big ones and small ones, and then these kind of square shapes, so you can get different textures from the one silicone tool. There's also some string and some of the sequin waste and some little bits of paper, and then inside at the bottom here there is a small 5 by 5 inch plate, which is a really handy size. So I will have to make a video at some point with me trying out this kit, seeing what I can do with it. There is another brayer in this box, and I got super excited because you can never have too many brayers, especially when I print quite often with printing inks. So it's handy to have a brayer per color that I'm using rather than cleaning off my brayer every single time. And in this little bag, there is another silicone tool. So I was really excited because I do classes, so it's really good to have lots of tools that I can use, and some more of this string, which is going to give a really nice texture on the plate. I really love working with different kinds of wools and strings. This one's really lovely in rainbow. It's a bit of a shame to use it when it's such pretty colours, but I can see that it's going to give nice effects. Inside these wrapped up packages, it's like Christmas opening these, there is a pack of the Gelli Arts special printing paint. So again, just like the ones in the pack, but these are gorgeous colors. I really love that green and that turquoise especially. And in this pack, another pack of paints, and this time in more of the basic colors, so primary colors and some green and black and white. So delving deeper into the box, this box is just like Christmas. There is a round jelly plate inside this package. I really am looking forward to having all these different shapes to try out. They're going to be a lot of fun for doing different kinds of projects, and this is something that I've been wanting for a while, is these little mini plates in different shapes. There's a square, a triangle and a mini circle, so you can put these onto a piece of perspex and use them like a stamp. So they'd be really fun for working in journals or just experimenting with getting different kinds of shapes and overlapping them. And here is a large packet of parchment paper, which I've never tried before. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out. It feels a little bit like deli paper, but maybe slightly thicker, but it's a really nice big size. Often deli paper isn't quite the right size for printing, for covering the whole plate. And this is the most exciting part of the box. This is a 9 by 12 inch plate, which for me is just perfect. I really like my 8 by 10 inch one because that's a good size for framing up. 8 by 10 inch is a standard framing size, but here in the UK, my paper is mostly A4 size, which is bigger than 8 by 10 inch. So whenever I'm printing on it, there's always a white part around the outside of the paper, which if I register means that I can get a nice white frame, but sometimes I want to cover the whole of my bit of paper, and this plate is going to be absolutely perfect for that because I'm going to be able to get the paper and stick it on the whole thing. You can see here that it is being covered by the plate completely. So I'm just opening this one up just to show you, and I didn't realize at first when I opened this up that inside there is a see-through grid that you can place underneath your plate when you're printing in order to line up images or line up some of your designs. So I hadn't actually spotted that when I made the video. If I had, I would have shown you, but that's a really cool addition to this plate. So here I'm just explaining how my piece of paper is going to cover the exact size of this plate. It's a really, really great size. I'm really glad that they brought out this size. It's kind of a nice in between the 8 by 10 inch and then the larger one. I think it's an 11 by 14 inch one that I've got, which is nice for doing really large prints. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing my goodies and that you're not too jealous that I got all of these. I am so super excited. I can't wait to make some videos and some blog posts for you. As ambassadors, that's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be trying out some techniques and sharing some cool ideas, and you'll be seeing those in some upcoming videos from myself, but not just myself, all the other Gelli Arts ambassadors that have just recently been taken on by Gelli Arts. So keep an eye on the Gelli Arts channel. So subscribe to their channel. I'll give a link in my description, and also subscribe to my own channel to see some cool techniques and some fun jelly printing things in the future. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.